stopwatch, and you're away. Gary Marty, the master of fashionable colour change sunglasses. Looking over that concrete boom, Big Duncan. The Wellington Auvic
Bowden Zone Car Care Products. They've jumped on sponsorship for the remainder of the year, so car looking magnificent as always, and Bowden Zones now sort of owns that, so that's terrific.
It's been good up here. We did the promo rides yesterday, which is good to get people to ride in that, and then we went into the super special stage last night.
Yeah, look, there's been a lot of promotional stuff, so that was good. We had the car doing the super special stage in town in front of the crowd, so everyone enjoyed that. We had some media rides, so that was good. So I think off-roading as a sport sort of got a fair bit of exposure.
Top 5 or 6 we'll be happy with.
I didn't mind the track at all. I thought it was a really good track. Yeah, pretty technical, tight and twisty, but a few open bits as well. But it's all about today now for us, and try and get some points and have some fun.
Car's well prepared, and we've had a good look, so looking forward to this afternoon.
Not even, probably about 400 metres into the race, we put a rock through the sump, so lost oil pressure, pulled over a little bit after.
There's a creek crossing full of rocks, and we bottomed out in the rocks
I reckon we have some...
and damaged the sump guard, which caused the sump to break and the oil to run out, so we didn't go far, only 6 minutes into the lap, so a bit disappointing, but overnight the crew have done a terrific job. They've repaired all the damage, and the motor sounds pretty strong, so we're going to give it another go today.
The boys were working hard last night. Obviously, it was going to be touch and go whether we'd caught the oil pressure problem in time, but we did. So the engine's good. That's important.
Yeah, let's just hope luck turns around and the racing gods are shining on us today. That's 2 years in a row now at Coffs Harbour that we've been leading, one prologue and leading on the first section, and something go wrong. So, it is kind of frustrating when you're getting that, the clean air and just not capitalising.
We just got to, get the monkey off our back and just really, just keep pushing hard, and the results will come.